How to change age on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can change your age on TikTok, so let's dive in. First, you have to open your TikTok app and then you have to click this profile icon on the bottom right corner. Now, it's going to bring you to this page. On this page, you have to click these three horizontal lines on the top right corner and then you have to click settings and privacy in the pop-up menu. Now, you'll be able to see this window. On this window, scroll down until you find the option Report a Problem and click this. Now, it's going to load this page for you. You have to click Account and Profile over here and then you have to click Editing Profile. Now, it's going to load this page for you and you can see you have no option for your birth date update, so I'm going to click Other. And then it's going to bring you to this page and here you have to click No and then click Need More Help. So I'm going to click Need More Help and then it's going to bring me to the TikTok support page and here you have to click Account again and now it's going to load this option for you and here you can see I want to update my birth date. Simply click this option and once you click this option it's going to give you the options. And once you click this option, it's going to give you this form that you can use to request to change your birth date. So click this form over here and when you choose the form, please follow the steps. You have to choose general account inquiry for a topic and then choose age verification for a category and then you have to give a detailed description of your question. Simply click this form option and it's going to load this page for you. Now, select the option that they said, General Account Inquiry, and in the category option, you have to choose age verification and now put your email over here and then your username, that's optional, and then add additional details over here and you can upload attachment over here, that's optional as well. And then you have to check these boxes and then click Submit. And that's how you change your age on TikTok.